This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Paige Peugh. $1 Million Views. Charming 2-1 cabin. This desirable floor plan features a cozy great room with a wood-burning fireplace. Adjacent kitchen with ample cabinet space and new granite countertops and stainless appliances. The cabin has been recently stained and has a new HVAC system. The dining area overlooks amazing vistas. Gorgeous wide plank floors throughout. Soak your cares away in the hot tub or relax on the covered porch. Located conveniently between Ellijay and Blue Ridge and steps away from the Benton McCaye trails. For more information, review the details below or contact Paige Peugh at 706-633-9969.